Hello, this is Jim and Ben with DC Digital. Today we're demonstrating a custom project that we've been working on, and it is a counter. The 7-digit is a counter and the 6-digit is a minutes to kickoff for Super Bowl. The counter is counting how many packets of food they're going to be passing out to feed the hungry. This is a DC-157 NT down up static, and this is a DC-156 NT down or DN up static. All they do is receive network data and present that to in their display. So this is, like I said, keeping count of packages of food that's going to be donated before Super Bowl, and this is the minutes that are left to do so. What we have is a cellular link that Ben is going to explain how it all kind of operates to the outside world, and we also have our local computer here connected to that IP address for that link. And we are receiving data continuously from an outside source to update the display, which will be put into a mobile display with more advertisement, more of what's actually happening with the fund drive and the food drive, I should say. So without further ado, I'm going to bring in Ben to kind of give more of a synopsis of what's actually happening data-wise, connection-wise, control-wise, and what he's accomplished with that.
Sure. Could you hold up the cell modem for them?
Sure.
So these two signs are connected to a single network port, which is then connected to this modem, or router, if you will, which is connected to cell phone towers. So it creates a gateway that is open to the public at large, to the internet at large. And what happens is there's a site developed for this project that is hosted somewhere in the cloud, and that site is pushing data packets to the sign to update it once per minute. Right now they're sending packets once per minute. They can send packets as frequently as once per second if they wish. Because the project hasn't started yet, the number of meals donated is currently 0, and the number of minutes is what you see there. I'm going to send a couple of packets to explain, to show that it in fact reacts to whatever is sent. So I'm going to first send just numbers, random numbers, so 1 through 6 and then 7 to 1. And you'll see that after I send it, when they send their data packet from the cloud, it automatically updates back to the other numbers.
So as long as you have the IP address, you can push data to it.
Yes, from anywhere in the world.
The IP address of this, what you call modem, this cellular modem, right?
Yeah, the IP address of correct.
Okay.
Correct. Now that is a cellular modem and router, and so on the router side of things, it creates a little local area network with the sign to forward that data to the sign. The top portion does synchronize when the minutes change, anytime the minutes change in value. So you can send 60 packets that are identical once per second, but when you change the minutes, it syncs with that change so that it will tick off the minutes on its own should that network connection drop. And there we have their data packet again.
So they're sending it once a minute, which was, overriding what we sent, which is not a problem, which is what we wanted to continuously have a link, continuously being updated correctly, because the count will fluctuate. It's not going to be a constant. Not like the countdown to how many minutes left to Super Bowl. But, that too, we need to keep it synchronized to the advertiser.
These two values are being pushed from the same site that is hosting the web page for this campaign, and so the data will be mirrored on the campaign page as it is on the sign.
Very good. Okay, so what we have is a complete system here that's linked to the outside world via a cellular connection, and we are able to receive data from any computer in the world, anywhere, any cell phone, right? Anything that could bring up a packet that will send to a specific IP address.
Correct.
And it's as simple as that, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
correct.
Okay. Anything else, Ben, that you want to add?
Nope.
All right. This is Jim and Ben with DC Digital, and we're demonstrating the DC-157 and 156 NTDN-up-static. Thank you.